Tender pieces of chicken breast join fresh fruit and vegetables in a tangy dressing and make this sensational chicken salad a high-protein, low-carb option for only 86 calories. I've collected all my ingredients and equipment to make my chicken salad recipe. I have 1 pound of raw chicken breast ready to chop into bite-sized pieces. I'm transferring the bite-sized pieces of chicken breast into a small saucepan. The cutting board and knife goes into the sink immediately to be washed so that I don't use them to cut the fresh vegetables. Raw chicken might have salmonella or other bacteria. It's important to use another cutting board for the fresh vegetables to prevent bacterial cross-contamination. After cutting a fresh lemon in half, I'll juice the lemon half to collect the lemon juice. This half lemon yields 1 ounce, equivalent to 2 tablespoons. I'm pouring just 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice over the raw chicken in my saucepan. The lemon juice will gently simmer the chicken breast pieces until they are just cooked, remaining juicy and tender. I'll reserve the remaining lemon juice for later. I'm starting this saucepan of raw chicken and lemon juice on my stovetop on high heat until the lemon juice begins to steam and gently bubble. Once my lemon juice has reached a gentle boil, I'll reduce my heat to low, cover with a lid, and allow my chicken to cook through over low heat for about 15 minutes. While my chicken simmers, I'll prepare the rest of the ingredients for my chicken salad. I'm removing the seed, stem, and pith from my red pepper. Dicing and transferring the red pepper pieces to a 1 cup measure. This large red pepper diced should measure 1 cup. I'll need 1 cup of each of the fresh vegetables and fruit for this chicken salad. I'm wondering how well my chicken is simmering and if it will be ready soon. The heat is definitely too low, and this chicken will not be ready on time. I'm increasing the heat a little to bubble the lemon juice and finish the cooking process. My filmmaking assistant, my lovely son, is deciding which bread he'll choose when this chicken salad is ready. The best part of preparing all these recipes is sharing them with my family. He's really hungry and can't wait for the chicken salad to be ready. He's going ahead with a peanut butter sandwich for now. While he prepares his snack, I'll continue to prepare the chicken salad. All the ingredients will be mixed together in a large mixing bowl. The cup of red pepper I diced goes in the bowl first. Next, the celery. After chopping off the stem ends, I'll split the stalks lengthwise and begin chopping crosswise to dice the celery. I'll need enough diced celery to equal 1 cup. This usually requires 2 to 4 stems of celery, depending on the size of celery. After measuring 1 cup, the celery is added to the red pepper in the mixing bowl. Green onions are next. After removing the root end, I'll slice as many green onions as I need to equal 1 cup of sliced green onions. I'm starting with 2 green onions, but I'll probably need to slice more. Just as I had thought, 2 green onions gave me only 1/2 cup of slices. I'll cut another 2 green onions to top up the 1 cup measure. This cup joins the red pepper and celery. Time to check the chicken again. The chicken is cooked and ready. Time to take the saucepan off the heat and chill the cooked chicken in the refrigerator. While the chicken cools off, I'll continue with the chicken salad preparation. Red grapes are next. I'm cutting about 55 red grapes in half. Again, I'll need 1 cup of grapes sliced in half. Once I have enough cut grapes, the grapes are added to the mixing bowl. And now that all 4 ingredients, 1 cup each of red pepper, celery, green onions, and grapes have been added to my mixing bowl, it's time to prepare the chicken salad dressing. One-third of a cup of my favorite mayonnaise is first. A rubber spatula is better than a spoon and helps so much. 14% milk fat sour cream is next. Again, I'm adding 1/3 of a cup. Dijon mustard measured to 1 teaspoon is added. Then 1 teaspoon of liquid honey. One and 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and stirred until smooth. I'm setting both my dressing and my salad ingredients aside. It's time to take the chilled chicken pieces out of the refrigerator. Now that the chicken has cooled off, it's plopped into my strainer to drain off the liquid. Back onto my cutting board to give the cooled chicken another rough chop, and into the mixing bowl it goes. And now the prepared chicken salad dressing. My rubber spatula scrapes out all of the salad dressing. I don't want any dressing left behind in the bowl. I'll need all of it to create my delicious chicken salad. Doesn't this chicken salad look amazing? This chicken salad recipe is my personal favorite. I've been making it for my family for over 20 years. There's just one more ingredient that gives my chicken salad a pop of flavor. Remember the leftover lemon juice? I add just a little to the chicken salad at the end, not too much. You'll know if I added just the right amount of lemon juice after I give it a few stirs. The dressing will have thinned out a little, but it will still cling to the salad ingredients. This looks perfect. I added just the right amount of lemon juice, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Remember my son? He'll probably choose 2 slices of bread for his chicken salad sandwich. He needs more calories than I do. I'll choose 1/2 of an English muffin that I've grilled on my panini-style grill. I'm topping this grilled English muffin with a little shredded romaine, and topping the romaine off with a 1/2 cup of my chicken salad. Now just take a look at that. Delicious. Won't you join us? Here's one for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.